Hello dear friends, welcome to Navayu Wellness and Metabolic Reset. Today we have another patient who is basically suffering from AVN hip. So AVN is a condition in which vascularity to our femoral head decrease. So whenever this vascularity decrease, it leads to damage in the hip. Many times patients, the contour of the hip get damaged. At Navayu, we treat up to grade 3 patients, the patient who are suffering from AVN with up to grade 3 without surgical intervention. So up to grade 3 patient who are having AVN can be treated without surgical intervention with this innovative IAOS management technique. That is Indian Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons recommended treatment, where we do the treatment by 3 steps. Number 1 is hip arthrodiastasis, where we open out the hip joint with the help of ozone, as well as we also inject PRP or growth factor concentrate, so that inflammation will decrease there and some type of stem cells will be there. Edema will decrease, oxygenation will increase. Another method is EBO, that is extracorporeal blood oxygenation ozonization, where by this IOS method, which is a filter-free ozone system, we want to increase the oxygen level in the body. There was a treatment called HBOT, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, in which basically we put the patient in an oxygen chamber and we own the oxygen. So their patient keep on inhaling oxygen and the oxygen level directly increase in the body by inhaling. In that treatment, patient need daily exposure, and that is also a very proven treatment where there is an improvement in such kind of patient who are suffering from AVN. This is a treatment that is extracorporeal blood ozonization and oxygenation, where blood level oxygenation has been directly increased. So in this system, this is one of the site from which we are taking the blood. This is called the donor site. This is the site from which the heparin is coming. This is an anticoagulant, and now this is IOS system. This is the EBO flask in which the blood is getting accumulated. From one side, this is the ozone system. The ozone is coming, and now you can see here some of the waste which is coming out. So it's a three-way system. From one side, blood is coming from the body. At one side, there is ozone going inside, bubbling out, and these are the waste which is coming out. Now, once the blood is getting ozonized, this blood have higher concentration of oxygen. It acts as anti-inflammatory. It has antioxidant effect. It decreases edema. When we talk about AVN, it decreases edema of the bone, especially femoral head. And edema is one of the reason in which the patient have pain, range of movement is decreased, and the vascularity also get compromised. So it is a type of decompression only. A lot of people keep on asking decompression. They say we will drill in the hip joint, we will make drilling in the hip joint, that is called drilling surgery or decompression surgery. They make multiple drills and they can inject the others, PRP, BMAC also, or GFC also, but your that will basically compromise your hip joint or your femoral head. In this condition, we are not touching patient's hip. We are giving this higher level of oxygenation into the body only. So basically, EBO is a type of natural decompression. Means it is decreasing the edema into the femoral head. So definitely it will lead to decompression. So the vascularity can open, the pain will decrease, the range of movement will decrease. This is one of the way of treating AVN. Also along with that, the heart of our treatment is Mukherjee regime. Mukherjee regime, the specific medication developed by Dr. Mukherjee. When we give this regime for 9 to 12 months, AVN till grade 3 can be very well reversed, or we can delay the total hip replacement for a prolonged period of time, even for 10 years. That is how we can buy more time with quality of life, with pain-free life. EBO, that is extracorporeal blood oxygenation and ozonization, not only used for various diseases like AVN, but also can be used for conditions like patients having autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, patients having diabetic neuropathy, patient having ankylosing spondylitis, patient having inflammatory bowel syndromes, patient with infections, because it is antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial. So friends, ozone, basically I am talking about medical grade ozone, which we are making from medical grade oxygen. Like here we are basically, this is the oxygen chamber from where we are using the IOS ozone machines. This is basically a generator which is basically producing the medical grade ozone. This ozone is a very, very powerful thing, and when it enters into our body, it gets converted into oxygen plus O minus. So it acts as anti-inflammatory, it acts as immune modulator, it increases oxygenation to the tissues, and along with that, it basically acts as antioxidant also. So these are the various benefits of EBO in diseased condition. Along with that, it can also be used for wellness, for longevity, for anti-aging, where basically it acts as a metabolic reset. It basically reset our mitochondria, and therefore it acts at cellular level. It is the only molecular therapy along with hydrogen which acts as molecular level and used in wellness, anti-aging, longevity. Even the sports personalities can use this for performance enhancement, for general well-being, for sexual wellness, as well as for your mental wellness also. For your patients who are suffering from brain fog, individuals who are not able to concentrate, the individuals who are 40 plus, they are going to gym, they are doing everything, but still they are not feeling energetic, definitely they can go for this natural detox where we are using the ozone. Along with this, we also use hydrogen, which is also another molecule which we give basically molecular therapeutics. In hydrogen nutraceutical drip, we add a lot of vitamin C, NASH, glutathione, which act as antioxidant. So these are the various way of treating diseased as well as for wellness, anti-aging and longevity. And these are the natural molecules which can be used, which actually act as detox for your body. So if you're looking for wellness, if you're looking for longevity, if you're looking for metabolic reset, you can contact on the below number. And if any one of you are suffering from these metabolic condition as well as for any autoimmune disease, definitely you can contact on the Navayu, where we are giving this wonderful treatments, natural treatments, along with physiotherapy, rehabilitation, lifestyle modification, weight management, dietary changes. Patient can have a good quality of life, pain-free life with minimum medication. Thank you so much.